No, don't focus on the pictures. Focus on our patient.
This isn't organ. It's not cutting.
We should vote. Can we videotape this?
I am.
Oh. Look at this. Camera on deck. I'm so sorry.
This is the pelvic area? Oh.
Yeah.
This is
we have to draw this now. And then it says label A and E. So draw it again. Draw it at stage 2. Down here.
Okay, so now it has a wide incision. I'm gonna have to do this together.
Wait, what are the lines for then?
I don't know. I don't know what all these lines are for.
Lines? Why? I feel like we draw it in there.
I have to blow my nose.
Brielle Kessel. Brielle. Are you drawing on the lines or not?
I pushed her next to me. Draw the people and the line. Is that what we just did? What did I do?
Is it on video camera?
Interior side with
Just look down. You gotta look down.
Did it see me?
No.
Oh, she's looking.
Now it sees you. Okay.
Lisa! Go down. Lisa!
Oh, that camera's too
Right? It's all touch and shit. It's nice.
Okay, what are we doing? The Y incision?
Yes. Yes.
What?
Is Pickle like making you in the mood or something? No. Rita, shut up, you.
My mom watches these videos.
You nothing. Your mom what?
My mom watches our videos. Guess I gotta take that part out.
Are you in the mood or something? Yes. My mom watches these.
Oh shit. Alright, hold up.
Juliet, you might want to talk to Brienne. I think she's sexually active.
The ventral body cavity.
Mine looks like a damn deformed pumpkin. I'm so sad.
A Y incision. Okay.
My mom would have
The ventral body cavity. What is that? What? The ventral body cavity? I don't know what that is. How are you like?
A is opened by a deep Y-shaped incision.
That
Smell it.
I want to eat it.
I hate pickles. I'm like allergic to them.
Oh wow. Oh look at the insides, guys.
Wait, let me. Ooh. I don't see a damn thing.
Wait, this is what you go. You go to TGI Fridays, you see the same damn thing.
Looks like. That looks so bad.
Look at that.
Okay. What are we doing now? Now we're all in it.
Yay!
Okay. Did you draw? Okay, we all have to draw the pickle again, and then the Y. Cut it. And then we have to label it. Label it. I don't know where A is. Where's A? The ventral body cavity. I don't know what that is. I think that's what we're supposed to use the Y. Wait,
How are we doing here?
We're
Finished
labeling.
cutting yet?
Yeah.
Which one is the part of the Y?
The ventral.
Ventral is the belly side, or
That's
the
what I thought.
anterior.
Okay. B. Okay. The Y.
Do you want to do where's your A there?
Yep, that's what you do.
This is the belly.
So you're drawing it again. And you just, oh yeah, that's fine.
You can't cut it on the back. No, I'm saying.
No, because you labeled, is that the one that goes on the front?
No.
Sorry, here, label that one. Just put a little arrow showing you. Okay, how did you do?
Pubic area.
Isn't that what the Y incision was?
We have to label them all though. Read it!
I am reading it. Label A through D. That's what I'm saying. I've just labeled it. Wait.
This is right on there. So A and join at the inferior portion of the breast bone stem. Y.
The arms of the Y. No, you cut it right over the
Okay, so I'm going to say this is D right here.
And join at the inferior point of the breastbone.
right here.
The breastbone right here. Yeah, no, I do an arrow coming out.
Why is this camera so on?
Yes.
Another picture of Mel's. We need to name it.
I want to name it, you said Charlie?
Bill.
How original.
Bill.
After the rib cage is sawn through, the abdomen, the pelvic region.
Where do you put C?
F can be open. Do we have to draw this again?
Yes, this is draw every time, I'm pretty sure. But no, we should just keep drawing pickles down the page and then see what happens. No, you only have to draw one more. I would have been typed.
Some words you
Your thing is gradually changing. Now it has curves, it's voluptuous. What is going
take
on?
one each. You're going to be using these words in your analysis. Take one each.
Okay. Okay, we said.
Oh, okay. All right.
We have to open it up, guys.
Come on, Dr. Warrington.
Yes. I wasn't seeing the incision. Get it popping. Where's the incision?
It's right there.
Oh. It says open it up. Wait, take it.
Oh!
So we can, I can
Get it. It's everything.
I know, but they can't see inside. Get it, Liz.
Okay.
You sound like the guy.
You guys almost done? Good.
It sees nothing. Here, there we go. You can see, right?
Somebody in the group can get you another piece of paper.
Okay. No.
Now we're just looking at this pickle.
Yeah, it's back here. Why did, this didn't have white stuff up where you're going. I think it's the oxygen. Yeah, Grace feels she's like, oh, I can see. It kind of looks different now. I don't know how to draw an open pickle.
Superior to pelvic. You use terms. I want 15 terms in your conclusion. Oh, yes. So you might not finish it today. That's okay. All right? But you will finish your pickle today. You just might not finish your conclusion. Okay? Okay, we have about 4.5 minutes. So you're not going to be finished, but the pickle part will be finished. Let me help you here. Okay, so you're now, good, so your conclusion, let's look at your conclusion. We definitely have probably abdominal and pelvic injuries. Absolutely. Which may be from a seatbelt, it may be from a bike ride. Some trauma happened to this individual.
Can we put this down here?
Yeah, just put what I'm saying for now. So you have trauma to the abdominal and pelvic regions with deep laceration. You have on the, is this the anterior or close to anterior? So on the anterior side, deep in the anterior, lateral to the spinal cord, you have 5 lacerations in the abdominal region and 2 in the thoracic region.
Wait, 5 lacerations in where?
The abdominal region and 2 in the thoracic, as I can see it.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay, we're done.
At approximately 9 o'clock, actually I would suggest you turn your TVs on now, we will be having the announcement. In addition to that, there will be approximately 4 or 5 minutes of the ribbon cutting ceremony that took place to dedicate this high school on Tuesday, September 15th. It is an important milestone in the school's history, and I know a lot of students
a limb that actually came off, so I would say that the right limb, upper limb, right upper appendage was severed. I think that's all you need to know for Monday. How are you doing here?
Okay, I guess I'm gonna get it.
She just envisioned that as me. Like, it's me laying on the bed. Yeah, I see nothing. I see a sign of that.
We can't leave.
Alright, get it, breathe. Get it, Liz. Get it, Liz. Get it,